Audio and sound effects in this video were created using audio.com. Use the link in the description to get 10% off.
Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking today. Boy and Dulabic here. So, are you looking for an affordable wireless microphone system? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so before we get going, the usual housekeeping. This product was sent to me free of charge for this review. However, the company has no influence on this video. They're not reviewing it before it's being published, and all the opinions you're going to hear are my own. So, let's get going. This is the Kimafun KM-G50-1, a wireless microphone system. It comes with one receiver that operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and one transmitter that works up to 50 meters. The battery lasts for about 5 hours. Now let's take a look at what comes in the box. Inside the box you will find a very sturdy portable carrying case that lets you carry both the transmitter and receiver and all necessary accessories. You'll get the transmitter, the receiver, a lav mic for the transmitter, an extra windscreen for the lav, a dead cat, cable to connect the mic to a phone, cable to connect the mic to a camera, a charging cable to charge both devices at once, and there's also a manual that's included. If you want to turn on the receiver, just push and hold the on-off button for a few seconds. On the side of it you will find a volume button to adjust the volume if you are using headphones. On the top there is a headphone jack and a line out to connect it to a phone or camera. On the other side there is a USB-C port to charge the device. And on the back there is a clip to connect it to a hot shoe mount. The transmitter doesn't have a display. To turn it on, also push the on-off button for a few seconds. On the side you will find a volume rocker to adjust recording levels and also a clip to be able to attach this to a t-shirt. On the top there is a built-in mic and port to attach the included lav mic. On the other side there's also a USB-C port to charge the device. And this is what both devices look like. They are very compact, extremely portable, and fit in the palm of your hand. If you'd like to attach the included dead cat, simply line it up with the top of the transmitter and push it in. Now let's hear what the system sounds like. Alright guys, so here I am outside. I am now in a forest type of an environment, so you get the usual sounds, cars behind me, wind, all that stuff. It's not too windy, but it's definitely a little bit of windy. Right now I got the mic right here with the lav attached, so this is what that sounds like. And in a minute I'm just going to remove the lav mic, and then you're going to hear what it sounds like with the built-in mic. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back right now, and this is what it sounds like with the built-in mic, which is right here. So the settings are the same. By the way, it's attached to my camera, and the recording levels on the camera are -12 dB, and this is what that sounds like. And in a minute I'm going to put the dead cat on here, and just to hear if that makes any difference in terms of noise. So I'm just going to be quiet for a second. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so here we are again. Now I got the dead cat on the built-in mic, and this is what that sounds like. So I'm just going to be quiet for a few seconds so you can hear if that makes any difference in terms of the wind. So it's definitely windy right now. It literally just got really windy. So I'm not sure if that makes any difference, if you can pick up any of that. It's actually a good day to try this out. It's a warm, nice day, but it's definitely windy, so not sure if that makes any difference. So that's that. So we're back in the studio, and I'm also mic'd up with the system, with the lav mic here. And as you can hear, it sounds pretty good. For the price, which is around $90 US, this is a pretty solid system. Now let's talk about some of the negatives. First of all, there are no features on this. So if you're looking for any to suppress noise, noise reduction, anything like that, there's nothing here. You basically, as I showed you, you turned on the receiver and the transmitter, and they pair up basically instantaneously, and you can adjust the volume, recording volume, and that's about it, right? So there is nothing else. So if you are looking for something that is more 'This is not for you, right? However, if you are looking for something that is easy to use, and it really couldn't be easier as just turn it on, and affordable, again, $90, that's a pretty good price. This is for you. And in terms of sound quality, would I tell you, okay, just use this as your only mic if you're doing professional gig? No, I wouldn't. But if you need a secondary mic, absolutely go for this. If you are starting off and you just need something that you're going, that will give you good, solid, quality, especially if you are going to be tweaking it in post, you can get some pretty professional quality out of this. Yes, this is definitely for you as well. So there are multiple use cases for this, but all in all, the one thing that matters with mics, it doesn't matter how many features they have, what is the sound quality like? Well, you've heard it. I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good, especially given the price tag and all that. So yeah, that's that. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what mic you use, what features are you looking for, all that good stuff. All the links will be in the description as always. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Thanks.